We have a sight word that we've been learning yesterday, and we're going to continue it today. Let's read our daily learning objective, review the sight words we've learned, and then write our new sentence for today. Our DLO, our daily learning objective. Today I will read and write the sight word the. Now you say it with me. Today I will read and write the sight word the. The. Let's spell it and read it 3 times. Say the letters with me. T-H-E. The. Make sure you read the word after we're done spelling it. 2 more times. T-H-E. The. 1 more time. T-H-E. The. We've learned T. We've learned E. We haven't learned H yet, but we know it now because we're spelling our new sight word, the. When T and H are together, it makes a new sound. It's not t, it's actually it's a voiced digraph. I said that wrong at first. So it's a new sound for T and H together. It's a digraph. We'll learn those later. So T-H-E, the, is our new song. Let's listen to our new song, The, and review I and like.
T-H-E, T-H-E, that's how to spell the, you see. We write the in sentences and read it in books too. I can spell the, how about you? T-H-E, T-H-E, a tricky word for you and me. We read and write the many times a day. T-H-E, hip hip, hooray!
I like that one. That's a good one. Let's review I.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
I use sentences all the time that start with I. I like the stars, I like to watch them in the sky. I means the same as me, it has 1 letter, look and see. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I and I is about me.
M-E.
I. It's a long one, but that's okay. Last one, like.
L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like the color blue. I like my new shoes too. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like to fly on planes. I like to ride on trains. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like?
Good. So we can read 3 words already. Some of you might know more, and that's really good. So we know I, like, the. Today you'll be writing in your writing journal. So let's practice a sentence, and then it'll be your turn. I'm going to write my own sentence today, and you will get to write your own sentence today. Your sentence will start out the same. We're going to use all the words we know. We're going to write I, like, the. All words we've learned. I, like, the. Let me get my blue marker. Whenever we read and write, we always start on the left. And we talked about before, we start at the top. We never start in the middle. We never start at the bottom line. We start on the top left. And I will be asking you this in a couple weeks. Where do we start when we read and write? On the left. I'll ask you, at the top of the page or the bottom of the page? And you'll say the top of the page. Okay. I like the. You can fill in the blank. I will give you an example, and then I'll show you my writing journal. When we start writing, we always begin with a capital letter. The beginning of our sentences always start with a capital letter. My sight word happens to already be capital. My word is I. How do I spell I? Capital I. Down, jump up, add a hat, add some feet. What do I need before I start my new word? Finger space. My next word is like. I like. Finger space, like. L, I, K, E. I don't like my E. I think it looks funny. I'm going to erase it and make it a little nicer. And on the back of your pencil, you have an eraser or a little pink eraser, so if you have a mistake, that's what erasers are for, to fix. E. Over, up, oh. There we go. I like that better. I like the, T-H-E. What do I need after my word? A finger space. The, T. We're already expert T writers. Down, across the fence. H, E. There we go, that E was better. I like the. In your writing journal, you will start your sentence like this. I like the. Like, think about something that you like. Yesterday we wrote, I like the turtle. Today you could write, I like the car. I like the flower. I like the book. I'm going to pick one of the vocabulary cards that we did for T, and I'm going to pick tiger. I like the tiger. You don't have to use tiger. You can pick something else. Just have whoever's helping you write it on a piece of paper for you to copy, or the highlighter. They can highlight it for you so you can trace it. I'm going to write tiger. I'm going to scoot over this way so you can see it a little better. I'll write it and then I'll get out of the way. I like the, what do I need here? A finger space. Tiger. I G er. I like the tiger. My sentence is done. I need punctuation. I could either write a period. Let me do that in a different color so you can see. Sorry. I could either end it with a period, an exclamation mark, it's a squeaky one, or a question mark. Period, I like the tiger. Exclamation mark would say, I like the tiger. Or a question mark, I like the tiger? Which one makes the most sense? Period. Period. Where's my marker? I'm going to write a period at the bottom. Now I'll get out of the way so you can read the sentence better. I'll point and you read with me. You know these words already, except for tiger, but you already know it's tiger because this morning we learned beginning, middle, end in our 95% lesson. We know the last word at the end is tiger, and we can read these other words. Read it with me. I like the tiger. I started on the left because we always write on the left to right. We read from left to right. We started at the top. I'm going to go down one more line and write my name. Don't forget to write your name. We're practicing that. I'll write my name and the date. I changed the date up here and I'll write it here. My name is Mrs. Hawkins. So I have to do it. M-R-S. I put a period here. Mrs. Hawkins. H-A-W-K-I-N-S. I have a lot of letters in my name. Mrs. Hawkins. I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to write the date. 8 represents August. I have a hyphen. 26 is the 26th day of August. So a 2, candy cane foot. A 6 is a round loop. And another hyphen for 2020 is the year. So I have a 2, candy cane foot, and a 0. Down, up. I'll show you an example in my writing journal. With our writing journal, don't forget to turn to the very next page. Here's our first day. The next day we drew our picture and wrote our words on the next line. And then here's today. My sentence is, I like the tiger. I wrote my name, Mrs. Hawkins, have the date. Oops, I got the date wrong, but that's okay. And drew a picture of a tiger. You have all this space. Make sure you take up the whole space. You don't have to use tiger. You can use something else. After you write, I like the blah, 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 whatever you pick, write it one more time and then read it to whoever's helping you. Practice those words because we're going to start reading books here pretty soon, us teachers with you kids. So practice reading the words we've learned. So now it's your turn. Get your writing journal, go to the next page, start on the left, going to the right. Don't forget to put a period, write your name.